Good afternoon. Today is a very nice day. My name is Jamie. I'm going to be with you for the next 1 hour, and we are going to be trading live together meme coins on Morph. I'm going to be teaching you exactly how to do it, how to trade, how to place those trades, how to bridge over, how to swap tokens. But I need to make one thing very, very, very clear to start off today's stream. Nothing here is an endorsement for any project. I am not affiliated with any project, and I am not endorsing any project here. You should gamble and you should take at your own risks. Okay, now all the boring talk is over. I've got my lucky t-shirt on, my John Lennon t-shirt, which, I'm a bit, I like to make sure that I've got my, my things in order. Let's have a bit of a breakdown as to where we're at. In the last 24 hours, we had a huge announcement between BitGet, of course, BitGet Wallet, and Morph, and it's been received incredibly well. And frankly, on the back of it, we have seen an incredible run when it comes to meme coins. Now, if you've not noticed, this is the home screen of the application, of the BitGet Wallet application, of course. It's that successful. We have now categorized exactly what we think that people want to be, having their eyes on. And again, let me just clarify that point. Tokens traded here are definitely not endorsements, and you should always do your own research. Thank you very much for that reminder. Okay, so let me come back to this list. So this list is really important. This list is important because it shows us the tokens that are readily available right now, of course, in BitGet Wallet. Now, we started with BGB, of course. BGB now, the breaking news, it is available over on Morph. Now, for me, this is an exceptional step forward for the space, exceptional step forward for us all. And we're going to keep paying special attention to exactly how it does before. But the meme coins off the back of it, the likes of MDog, has been insane. Now, I've been buying, I've been selling, I've been buying and selling. Every day you've been joining me for the last week or so, we have been trading together, and nothing is going to change today, apart from we're not trading on Solana today. We are trading on Morph. So let's see. At the moment, let's see what opportunities that we have. And by the way, feel free in the comments to drop some alpha, some information. I'm more than happy to research it and check out what we're going. But a clear reminder that trades are definitely not endorsements of any tokens, and you should always do your own research. I might leave that up on the screen for a little while. So at the moment, my holdings, of course, I have got my ETH there ready to deploy. Of course, I've got some BGB, and I've also got some MOG. Now, I've been trading this in the short term. Let's see how it goes. We're going to be keeping up to date on that throughout the stream. Let's have a look at, let's have a look at MDog. Let's see how it is performing. Good afternoon. Thank you very much for coming. Oh, MDog it's dipping right now. It's at $2.3 million. Still pretty significant market cap, let's be honest. Is this an opportunity? Yeah, I think it is. And I think I'm going to just buy a little bit of it here now live on stream. Only a small amount to demonstrate how easy it is. So I'm putting in my amount, 0.02, so about $85. And I'm clicking trade. And then I'm going to process that trade. Now, because I am screencasting my phone to the computer, it asks me to put an additional password in. Now, for you guys, it will probably take your face recognition, or you'll just have to put your PIN in. And as you can see at the top of the screen there, trade successful. So we have automatically there just bought some, and you're going to be able to see then your average buy price. So it's great to see. I bought there again at the bottom. Let's see where it goes. So average buy price, average sell price. Let's see. Of course, we're going to keep doing this throughout the trade. We want to keep trying to make some money and trying to see where this can go to. Wow, it's increased a fair bit. So let us see on MOG. Okay, it seems to be uplifting quite nicely. It's at 136k market cap. We're going to keep an eye on that. Let us have a look at Pepe. Pepe, it's on a dip. It's at 183k market cap. I'm actually at a loss on this one at the moment, believe it or not. So let us see exactly how this one goes by MDog. I just bought a little bit of MDog just there. Let us have a look. Ooh, I'm well positioned in this one. So we're gonna see what we can do. And we're gonna give away some red packets. We're gonna give away some money throughout the stream. Now, reminder, we are looking for tokens that we believe are gonna make us some profits during the stream. So when we do go home, and remember, this is not an endorsement, of course, you should always do your own research. We're going to have a look. Now, the categorization that we've managed to do in the wallet is pretty impressive. I like it. It's super easy to look at, super easy to consume. And that is one of the main reasons I like it. So, let's have a look at it. So you can see BGB, MDog, Koala, Mpepe, MCAT, Koala again, MOG, which we've just bought, and Buy. I've not looked at Buy in too much detail, but as you can tell, it's just had a significant increase. This isn't one that I have bought just yet. Make Morph great again. That's funny. I like that saying. Let's just keep an eye on MOG and let's see how it's going. It's currently at 111K. Not so great at the moment. We are going to be holding this and see what happens. Show me in the token. So Iron, I can see you're asking me about Pepe. We'll have a look in a moment. We can have a look. Pepe, okay. Pepe is currently at 168K market cap. Not looking too bad, right? Not looking too bad. I mean, it's crazy the achievements that we've had, in terms of the Morph ecosystem, frankly, in the last 24 hours. Let's see what happens with MOG. I mean, I'm in profit, of course. But let's see. Let's read some of these comments that do come through. Meow. No, I want to make a comment on Meow when it comes to the Meow token. Now, we have it an official token, and there are no rip-offs from that. I just want to make that super, super clear that we do not have any rip-offs. There are not any official tokens from the back of it. There is only one Meow token. That is the official token that is, of course, the BitGet Wallet Memecoin, the official Memecoin of BitGet Wallet. I need to make that point super, super clear to those that are watching. I've seen a few things on Twitter. I've seen a few comments in community groups. Yeah, this, you probably need to be quite smart on that and not fall for traps. Unfortunately, you're going to see that. Buns, I will check that out in 2 minutes. At the moment, we are trading this one. We're trading MOG. We are trading. I'll show you my wallet at the moment. This is my live streaming wallet. I'm holding, of course, MDog, Mpepe, and MOG. So MDog, let's see how it performs. MOG, let's see. Buy Buns. I'll check Buns out in a moment. I will check it out. In a second. MOG, yeah, I'm trading MOG. Jamie, bro, I think you're glowing. Well, maybe it's the Dubai sun, Habibi. My skin is looking quite dark at the moment. Yeah, I don't know. No one doesn't like all of this. Yeah, I mean, Muffin, we've seen some great potential, right? So I need to make something clear on Buns. It is not the official mascot of BitGet. That is for sure. This is a community-driven project, so I wish you good luck. We'll check it out in a moment. We are just trading right now. We'll come back to MOG in like 5 minutes. This is something I'm going to be holding throughout the day or the next few days. No issues. What was it called? What was the project you want me to say? Buns. Buns is at 38K. See, my issue with Buns is it is not the official meme coin of BitGet Wallet, of course. So this is not something that I would be looking at. I'm just being totally honest. When it comes to Meow, there is only one Meow. That one Meow, of course, is our official Meow, which shouldn't be played with. That is our official Meow, which to be honest, the spin-offs of it you shouldn't be considering. We only have the official one within the wallet. So yeah, unfortunately, let's have a look at MDog. Let's have a look at what's going on. Show me some tokens as well. Okay, as you can tell, I'm in a little bit of a loss here on MDog. I am in a little bit of a loss. I am going to blow one big kiss to my friend Ben, who has just dropped me a message. Thank you very much for tuning into the stream. Guys, I want to know where you're from, what you're doing. Let me keep up with some of the comments. Okay, let's keep going. M-Dog, we'll come back to this one in a second. We need some gains. Show me the gains. Yes, on my streams in the last few days, I've been doing like prayers to the crypto gods. I've been out there trading. But the key thing here is, and you're going to see an announcement on the BitGet wallet page anytime now, to be honest, is now we have this thing called FOMO Thursdays. Now, if you're not familiar with it, you should be familiar with it. It is a free chance each week to win free money. It's almost like the ultimate meme, the ultimate hack to make some profits. What you have to do is you have to contribute 10 USDT or 10 USDC, sorry, each week, and there'll be a project of which is rewarded to the community. Now, this week, we have a special collaboration with Morph Chain, and you should definitely pay attention to this because, frankly, you have the opportunity to win some free money just by completing some tasks, and I urge you to go and check it out. Now, the most important part about this process is even though it's FOMO Thursday, the process starts on a Wednesday. So you have to enter the raffle today. You need to make sure that you get your tickets, that you've entered and you are ready. And then come tomorrow, you will scratch your tickets and you will know whether you have been victorious. Let me keep going. So thank you very much for all of the comments, Jack. I can see your comment around Buns, saying that you are a community and you need support. Absolutely. I wish you the very best. However, I cannot endorse Buns or I cannot have any kind of connection with it because it is an official, it is not an official token. It definitely isn't. And I want to be super clear. BitGet Wallet, BitGet do not have any official meme coins except the official Meow token at BitGet Wallet. Nothing here is an endorsement. I wish you the best of the community. I think it's great that you're celebrating BitGet. However, it's a bit close to me. I don't like it, I'm afraid. Sorry about that. OXD, same. I'm not going to comment on price action, but I'm buying these for a reason. Let's see what happens. Let's see. You can see where we started at the beginning of the stream. Let's see where we go to. We are increasing. We are increasing. Mog. You are really spamming the buns. Absolutely spamming the buns. Let us see where we are at. Koala. Let's check Koala out. We're gonna just keep you updated on the portfolio at the moment. We're up to $3,054. Very good. I think that's a great. I think that's a good start. I think that's a good start. And we've got another 45 minutes left of this stream. So we're going to keep a track of that and we're going to come back to it a little bit later. Let's have a look at Koala. Let's go to Koala and check it out. Now, Koala is currently at 306K market cap. It's, in my opinion, looks okay. But this isn't something that I have decided to buy at this stage. Let's see. Let's see what happens in the coming hours, I guess. Jamie, this one, please. Which one? Which one do you want me to check? Wow, something's pumping. What is pumping here? Wow, it's Mog. Nice. Which link did you say? I'm not sure. Mpepe is performing well as well. I mean, within the chain, let's be super clear. There is lots of choice, but there is definitely one standout when it comes to Morph Chain at the moment, and that is M-Dog, of course. Now, M-Dog it's moved significantly. Its current market cap is at 2.19K. Incredible. No, I can't see any links here, unfortunately. I cannot see any links here, unfortunately. It's not come through to me on the live chat. I'm sorry for that. Okay, nice. We are moving. We are making some profits. Let us see. I can see some guys are DMing me. Obviously, it's going to be really tough to reply to those within the stream. It's going to be tough. Yeah, it's going to be tough. This is the CA. No, it's not coming through. I'm literally getting your comments. So all I can see is that is the CA, and then there's nothing on the back of it. So just letting you know that. Interesting. I've just seen a fantastic bit of news for the Morph ecosystem. I believe that this is the first Morph meme coin to be organically listed on an exchange. And I believe that MEXC have just launched the token there. And the best feeling about this is you have the opportunity to buy this on BitGet wallet as low as, I think yesterday it went down to 60K market cap. Incredible scenes. Now, this is exactly why I tell people you need to pay attention and you need to trade aggressively at the earliest opportunity. Now, of course, you always need to take your own risks on board. Of course, you need to stay accountable. Don't go past what you can afford to lose. Once you've got to that stage and you're able to make those educated decisions, you have the best bit of technology here to use in terms of trading. We've categorized everything for you. Let me show you that. Let me go back. When you look at the Morph list, you have so much options and possibilities here. Look at these tokens and look at the percentages that they are up. I mean, the only one that is down today is MCAP, which is just incredible. I mean, MPepe is still around 148K. Let's have a quick look at Mog. I think Mog is pumping. It's at 175K, which is super nice to see. He's actually going to keep going, I think, by the looks of it. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Let me know what you are trading. And it's exceptional news, isn't it? The boss bought buns. Who bought buns? Who bought buns? Let me have a look. Wow, this is really moving. Wow, okay, nice. We're really moving. Let me have a look at buns so you don't get too upset. Come on, let's check it out. Yes, I can see that link. I've got to be careful about clicking links, though, I'm afraid. If it's a token that hasn't migrated, it's going to be tough for me to get involved on a live stream, I'm afraid. So this is the one. I'll keep, here's my promise. I will keep an eye on it and let you know at the end of the stream. I'll keep my eye on it, that's for sure. Okay, cool. Let's have a bit of a portfolio update. Nice. We do want MDog, though, to start to move. That is for sure. That is for sure. What am I doing? I am trading meme coins live on stream on the Morph chain. And we're seeing what's going on. So see that my MPepe has decreased. So I'm going to buy a little bit more, I think. Just a slight little bit. I've only got a little bit of money left because I've gone pretty much a bit crazy. But that's all right. That's okay. This is my trading streams. If those of you that know, you will know that we started this stream 5 days ago with one Solana. And now I think that we're at $4,000. So we've turned one Solana into $4,000, which I think is pretty good. I actually do think that is pretty good. I'd like to know what you guys think in the comments. Let's keep an eye on that. Of course, we just bought a little bit more of Pepe. Okay, so top holdings right now. Wow, it's really moving, Mog. Top holdings, Mog, Pepe, and MDog. Let's see how it goes. Pepe. Keep an eye on that chart. You can see where I bought back in. Let's have a look at Mog. Wow. Wow. Let's see. Let's see. Wow, it's pretty great. Samuel, that's very nice feedback. Thank you very, very much for coming on and giving me such positive feedback. That's a massive turnover. I think this is the ability for meme coins, right? You know, you look at memes, you think they're highly volatile. So I was fully prepared to lose. And you'll have seen me on 2 of the streams. On the first stream, you know, it went okay, just okay. I think we ended up being like 20% up. Second stream went really well. We got a 50% gain, then we got 126% gain. But the last trade of the day almost took us back to break even. So it's very volatile, and you've got to be aware of the risks of which you are trading, right? Let's keep watching. So it's dipped slightly. I think that's a good thing. I am not here to save anything or endorse anything. I am just trading live on stream. Let's see how much we can make by the end of the stream. We've got another 37, 38 minutes to trade. We're going to try our best. We are going to try our best to hopefully succeed. Let's check out MDOG, which of course is the main leader that we have seen on the charts for the last 2 days. This for me is interesting. It's interesting because in terms of culture for memes, there's always a leader, right? And it's clear that this was selected as the leader in terms of engagement, in terms of volume, and in terms of where it's going. You think the market cap now is $2.2 million. You see the way that people are trading it, and you see the way that people are interacting it. I just find it fascinating. I think it's super fascinating. I'd love to get your thoughts on that. Let's see. Oh, okay. Let's have a look at some of the comments. Meow. No, I've tried to clarify the meow thing up. You know, there is only one official token, and that is with BitGet Wallet, and that is meow. Now, there is a community token that was launched. This is not an official token at all. MDog is performing well, yeah. I like the way that you come and show your tokens. That's nice. This token famous is, of course, on the Morph chain. This is what we are talking about during this live stream. I think this is pretty cool. You know, thank you very much for tuning in for the first time. Clearly, this is the first time you've maybe had exposure to the Morph network, the Morph chain. We've seen some people with some great success. Let's keep going. Let us keep going. Let's see what the next chance is. Let's have a look at some of the comments coming through. Make Morph great again. I like that one. It's funny, isn't it? Ibiza final boss. What, have they launched an Ibiza final boss on Morph? I've not seen that yet. I've not seen that. MPH, I have seen that. Maybe 2. Sorry, maybe 2 in reference to what, my friend? I mean, if MDog hits $100 million, they're going to market cap. There are going to be an awful lot of people that are incredibly happy, right? This is clearly the leader at the moment in terms of meme coins upon the ecosystem. So let's see. Let's see. No, Morph is moving fast, that's for sure. Have you created any coins? No, I have not created any coins, and I have zero intention to make any also. I'm just a trader. I like to have fun, like to join communities, and we like to be out there, talking to people. That's great. Let's have a quick check on the hot list and see what is going on. Let us take a look. This is the Morph hot list right now. Now, of course, the hottest of them all is BGB, which is at $5.02. Then you got the second one, which I'm considering numero uno, which is MDOG. MDOG is performing exceptionally well. Just look at those percentages. It's up over 3,800%, which is crazy. That is a crazy return for people. Quick balance check. We're at $3,300. It has decreased slightly, but that's okay. That's okay. We're here to have some fun. I don't mind that. We're going to keep going. Let's see. Okay, I can see that you're trying to build the community around MDOG. I mean, listen, we're very proud that we had MDOG listed very, very early here and are able to trade and buy in the wallet. So thank you very much to those that got involved. It's interesting. It is interesting. You look at the total fund, you look at the market cap, you look at the volume around it. There is significant rise in the community, and I think that is a really, really wonderful thing. Let us keep moving forward. I'm loving the fact that this is an international community as well, by the way. Very often it is the English-speaking community that is just taking over. It is so nice to see some Chinese friends joining us perhaps for the first time. Let's take a quick balance check. Okay, so it's gone up slightly, 3,400. Current holdings, MDOG, MPepe, and MOG. Let's see. We're going to track MDOG for the next probably 10 minutes and see exactly what happens. Okay, MDOG is starting to have a little bit of an increase in the price. Okay, that's a great question. What do I need to start trading this memes? Is it Morph or is it BGB token? Okay, so if you haven't already checked out, we did videos, we've done some tutorials on how you need to do it, but I'm going to make it even more simple for you by heading on over to my wallet. Now, when you check out the wallet, you can go to your asset and you can change it here. So in this instance, let's say perhaps you were coming from BNB and you had some BNB in your wallet that you wanted to swap. Now, great. That's a great start for us. We've got our BNB loaded up. Now, we need to go in the second column and we need to go down to the Morph chain. Now, when we go to the Morph chain, you need to go to ETH Morph. Once you've done that, you can put the amount, say you want to do 1 BNB. You put your 1 BNB in at the top, which is great. And then it will figure out the price, of course, of what you want to do. All you then need to do is click send. And straight away, you will have your Ethereum on the Morph chain. Now, once you're at that stage, of course, like me, you'll have your Ethereum there ready to go. You'll be able to go and place a trade. So what I'm doing with MDOG is I am going in, I'm going to use some of that Ethereum that I have, and I'm going to place a little trade. So I'm just going to buy a very, very, very small amount just to demonstrate how easy it is to you. Click trade, and then put my 2FA in, which of course I've got it password protected as I'm streaming on the internet, and it's a scary place. And you'll see, quickly done. So we are trading meme coins directly on the Morph chain live in a matter of seconds. And you've just seen, frankly, how quick and easy it is to do that in the BitGet wallet application. Let's keep an eye on it. Let's keep an eye. Oh, we're having a little dip in my portfolio, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm here for long term. I'm here for long term. Let's see. No problem, Bernard. I hope you found that useful, buddy. Let me know if you've got any more questions. Oh, there we go. Look at that increase. Look at that green candle coming up, looking nice and beautiful. Wow, we just love to see that kind of thing, don't we? Yeah, I mean, I think you've got some value there in what you're saying there, Butterbear. I think that clearly MDog is the standout. Let's be clear. I think that this has potential. Of course, that isn't financial advice, but it has potential because of the anticipation, the volatility, and the volume it has picked up around it. Of course, yeah. I think all eyes should be on it. I think people should be definitely paying attention to it, helping them make informed decisions. And yeah, it's pretty interesting. I'll follow you after the stream there. No problem at all. Let us keep up to date. It's looking good, isn't it? I'm liking the look of this. Okay, nice. Let's have a quick look. Let's have a look. I mean, let's moon. I mean, let's hope it does go to the moon. We are buying it. We are trading it. Okay, so we have decreased our portfolio size slightly. Let's see what happens. So we are holding MDog, of course, which is the number one, holding Mpepe and Mog. And that is my top three right now, with the most attention, to be honest, around MDog at this stage. Look at the chart. It's looking nice. Okay, so we've been on stream for about 35 minutes. I've really enjoyed this stream. I'd like to say a massive thank you to everyone that's jumped on. Let's do this a little bit more often. Tune in tomorrow. We're going to continue doing these live stream broadcasts. And let's get it. Thank you very much. I'd just like to say again, thanks for tuning in. And let's morph.